So hello friends, this is Dr. Chintan Shah, and today I come up with a very unusual topic. It's not my subject, but then also I'm going to speak about that. So many students are coming to me and they are asking me that, sir, as a biology student, why should we study the physics? What is the use of a physics in future? And that might be the reason, because it's a problem in their mind, and that is the resist. So they are resisting the physics learning, and as we know already, whatever you resist, it will persist. So the student should not resist the physics learning, and I am over here to give you some insight, some very very good insight, that how the physics is very good for the students of biology and why they should study about it. So one thing is that there is a whole one science subject only, but for the conveniency of the students, we have divided into physics, chemistry and biology, and all three are very important. Another way, if you work on that logically, then logically you can say whether you are going to appear in the state common entrance test, like I am from Gujarat, so GUJCAT, or you want to appear in the NEET. There is a very huge contribution of a physics to make you successful. And what I believe on the other side is that if you already know that yes, the biology students are not loving physics, then you should definitely love that, because you already know that that's the negative point of physics, is a negative point of other biology students. So that's where you can stand out and you can perform very well. But again, the question comes the same, that sir, how the physics is going to be helpful to the biology students. So that's what I am sharing with you. Whatever you will become in the future, whether you will become an MBBS doctor or you go for a MD, MS, definitely some technologies are there, like X-ray machine, MRI, that is known as a magnetic resonance imaging, X-ray machine, CT scan, computed tomography, PET. There are so many other diagnostic procedures are also there. All these are based on the physics only. Even I am using the microscope as a biology teacher, as a biology student. The students are using the microscope. What is it? It is also giving by the physics only. We are using the different kind of a lens, and we are just making the image which is 100 times bigger or 450 times bigger. Electron microscope can make the figure which is can give you the image which is a very bigger and bigger one, is like 1,000 times or a lakhs of times. What I believe is that whatever you will become, it's not only MBBS, the dentist chair is what? The whole dentist chair on which the patient are lying is only a physics. In that, vacuum is being used and so many other things are being used. Yes. So now you got it. Whatever you will become in future, even today, if I am a teacher, then also I am using microscope. In that, physics is there. If I am using projector, then again physics is there. If I am using interactive flat panel, then also the technology is there. Even right now also, I am using my phone and I am going to upload this on the social media and YouTube. So that is also the technology only. So I should know about that. So, and the other thing is that in 11-12, students will get to know about very good fundamentals of physics. So it might be happen as a community member, like doctor knows where the doctors are getting problem, like the teacher know where the teacher is being stuck. So in such a way, even the physiotherapists are also using so many equipments and technology which is a gift of the physics only. So in 11-12, all the basic concepts of the physics are given, and you never know that where you are going to implement this knowledge. What I think is that if you will study these fundamentals superbly, then even you want to innovate something, if you want to do research, then these technologies will help you a lot. So just go through all the fundamentals of the physics and just study and try to create the interest in it. So creating interest in a physics, that's very crucial. Okay, so physics, chemistry, similarly I can make whole one video about the chemistry also. Yeah, but again I am telling the same one, physics, chemistry and biology all are the part of the science only, and you cannot detach one part of the science from the other. Yeah, and anyhow we are not the system makers. Okay, so it's my request to the students that we have to follow the system and just make it positive in your mind. The physics is good and you have to study that, and you may have to implement it no matter what you are going to become in the future. Okay, but technology has to be there and technology has to be used in future. So it might be happen, you may become an innovative doctor, then how the robotic surgery, who can understand the doctor from any other doctor. So if I'm a teacher, then I can understand the problems of teacher. No one is better than me. Yeah, understanding the needs and problems of teacher. In such a way, whatever you will become, if you want to help your community and if you want to invent something, then this will be definitely very good for you. So, and nowadays we are dependent on the technology. We have biotechnology and that whole field, bioinformatics are also there, genetic engineering, biomedical engineering, and in all this the physics is also a part of the biology. Yeah, so please give your 100% to physics also. And physics, chemistry and biology, all subjects are very important. Already you are giving much more importance to the biology. That's why my humble request that just know about the practical implementation and practical application of the physics and chemistry also, and just make it sure that you can do very well even in the physics as well as chemistry. Thank you so much for asking this question, and share if you like this video. Bye bye.